Thanks for stopping by. You can see them in a interface here called the Event Organizer Dashboard. We have 300 NFL games loaded into DynamoDB. You can see that in upcoming games there's 181 based on our game schedule. Today is October 12th. I'm drilling into the 13th, which is tomorrow, Sunday. And the 13th Sunday games typically have, or all Sunday games I should have 12 NFL games typically. So here we go. We're going to go into a specific game coming up, and that game coming up will be in this picker. I'm going to go under Send Invites, VIP List. This VIP list is a engine that allows us to send bulk calendar invites, and the bulk calendar invites are using a list. In this case here, this is a demo engine using a text file. This text file is right here. I can show you the list. There are 11 people on the list. I'm going to hide it. This interface actually I'm using is this interface right here. It's interface API number 3. It allows me to send a calendar invite to a UID stored in the Dynamo database itself. And once those calendar invites go out, we track them. So back to the demo here, I'm going to go down to the next one, which will be, I believe, the Colts at the Titans, or it could be the Patriots. Let me just take a quick peek here in Safari. It looks to be the Texans at the Patriots. I was right. So we're going to go down here on the picker. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to be talking to that interface I showed you for the API. And what the interface is doing is taking in the emails themselves and sending out a calendar invite for the Houston Texans at the New England Patriots based on that UID. And in the engine in the back, you can see that the calendar invites are actually being sent out. So in this slide here, take the liberty. It's hitting the API gateway. It's sending out the calendar invitation for this game, and the calendar receipts are going out to the individuals. So what's going back here to this interface, showing here that Greg and Mandy have both received a calendar invite. There is the one for Mandy. She's going to say maybe, and I'm not so sure Greg's is loaded. Yep, there's Greg's, and it's loaded. And Greg is going to say yes to the game. So we're now collecting these calendar receipts as I've indicated here in this slide. What's going on in the back is we're taking this receipt data, we're collecting it, and it's going back to the API gateway. And you're seeing that here in this interface here, which I will show you here quickly. It's under Get Reports. This interface here shows that I've sent out 583 calendar invites already. We've collected 226 here for the NFL season. And if I go to the 13th and I scroll down for that particular game, which was, go back up here, I believe it was for the, excuse me here while I fumble around, it was for the Texans at the Patriots. So this data set here should line up for the Texans. And I'm going to go ahead and look for the Texans. And there it is there in my search head. And you'll see that I send out 10 calendar invites for the Texans at the Patriots game just now. I've collected a total of 3 calendar receipts over time. And what I'm looking for here is the detailed invited report. I can click this button and the invited report gets sent, and that's the end of the demo. Thanks.